Hello everyone, so let's welcome to this lab session. So in the last lab I have already told you I will show you some special feature of Microsoft Excel in the upcoming labs. So let's see one feature here. Suppose you see if I take this cell and you can see here we have done some formatting here, like we have set two digit after decimal. We have changed its background color to yellow, its fore color to orange, light orange. I think it is orange color, let's say. Now I want to make this cell like this. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to follow many steps, like go to property, right click on it, go to format cell and select the number up to select up to 2 and click OK. Then go to this section, change its background color to yellow, then this fore color to whatever color it is. So there are many steps we are following. Okay, so instead of doing this all, we have a simpler step to make this cell as like this. So what you have to do, you have to simply select this cell and go to this format painter, click on it and click any of the cell here. So that cell will be SMS like this. You see, when I click this cell, you see its decimal is restricted to 2 places. After decimal we have two digits. Its background color is orange, yellow, and its fore color is orange. Similarly, if you want to make this cell like this, or you want to make this cell like this, you can simply select this cell, go to format painter and click here. This cell is now having 2 digit after decimal, its background color is yellow and fore color is this. Okay, so this is one thing you have to practice at home, and if you have any doubt, write me in the comment section. We'll see some more special feature of Excel in the next lab. So thank you very much.